Millions of Nigerians live with disabilities, yet for years, the lack of reliable data has left them largely invincible in national planning. As a result of this, the Joint National Association of Persons with Disabilities has launched a National Demography Count and a 10-year strategic advocacy plan aimed to change that. Abigail Zamani reports.
Across Nigeria, persons with disabilities face daily barriers from inaccessible buildings to limited education and employment opportunities. Advocates say these challenges are compounded by a critical gap, but they admit that the size and needs of the disability population is still unknown.
We want the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to know the population of persons with disability, to work that whatever policy they want to make sure that persons with disability are fully represented in any given policy, because the number of persons with disability in Nigeria is not a small number.
To address this, the Joint National Association of Persons with Disability Initiative has mapped out the disability population across all 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory, capturing both visible and less visible disabilities, including mental health conditions. Officials from the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction say reliable data is essential to making programs concrete and effective.
But this is a good one, because what we come out with now is going to help the Commission too, and together we can get that data that we belong awaiting for.
For the first time, the government, development partners and civil society now have access to a structured and separated data for persons with disabilities. Officials say this will guide inclusive policy design and targeted interventions, helping all sectors respond to the specific needs of different disability groups across Nigeria.
The administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR recognized the critical role of data in governance, research and policy formulation under the Renew Hope agenda. The federal government remains committed to supporting the initiative that generate credible evidence and strengthen the capacity of an institution to design inclusive policy and programs.
With reliable numbers for the first time, Nigeria's disability community can no longer be overlooked. Advocates hope this demographic count will drive real inclusion in policy, education and employment nationwide. Abigail Zamani, TVC News, Abuja.